In part 1, we uncovered a painful truth that reading, once a sacred ritual, has quietly faded from daily life. We've seen the numbers, we've heard the warnings, but beyond the data lies a deeper question. What are we losing, as families, as communities, as a nation, when the art of reading is no longer taught nor treasured? Reading isn't just about decoding letters. It's a cognitive workout. It stretches the mind, develops focus, and teaches empathy. Yet today, we're raising generations with muscles that are barely used, minds constantly swiping, but rarely digging deep. TikToks over textbooks, captions over comprehension, and we wonder why attention spans are shrinking, why conversations feel shallow, and why critical thinking is in decline. The cost is high. Without comprehension, students fall behind not only in language but in life. They struggle in science, math, even in building relationships, because language is the gateway to all understanding. This isn't just an education issue. It's an economic, cultural, and spiritual crisis. Not so long ago, we read aloud in class. We were quizzed after stories. We read to discover the world, to dream, to question. Comic books increased vocabulary. Libraries became second homes. Reading was a family affair, a community mission. It built self-esteem, curiosity, and the discipline to learn, one page at a time. Turning the tide, starting where we are. We can turn this around, if we act. Here's where it begins. 1. Parents. Schedule reading time. Make it sacred, make it daily. 2. Teachers. Focus less on style, more on substance. Teach comprehension as a life skill, not a subject. 3. Communities. Create reading spaces, in barangays, churches, and homes. 4. Policymakers. Fund programs that matter. Equip teachers. Measure what truly counts, not just grades, but growth. On technology. In this time and age, technology does not and should not replace reading but rather transform it. It can enhance reading experiences and create new opportunities for literacy, but it is unlikely to completely replace the enjoyment of reading physical books, especially for the tactile experience and uninterrupted focus. Also, learners have varying learning styles that technology may limit catering into. However, though, maximize the use of those applications, apps, with digital books, the ones with interactive and engaging contents, personalized learning, and feedback. There are apps with increased motivation and engagement, accessibility, and support for struggling readers that foster critical thinking and collaboration. All these must be age-appropriate resources. And for all of us, shift the mindset. Reading isn't obsolete, it's urgent. A call to restore. The art of reading is not lost. It's just waiting to be restored. Like a buried treasure, it lies beneath the noise, dusty, but still precious. And when we read, we rise. We become more than just consumers, we become thinkers, leaders, servants, citizens. So let this be your call. Read with your children, teach others to read, and most of all, believe that reading still matters. Because it does. This is how we revive the soul of a nation. One page at a time. Reviving the soul is reviving the spirit. Take time to pray and consider His inspiration and guidance. Most importantly, pray that God will grant learners presence of mind and retention. Have the fear of the Lord, which is the beginning of wisdom. Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10. He provides help in times of need. He is our very present help in times of trouble. Psalm chapter 46 verse 1. Seek Him and you shall find Him. Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 13a. Like and share this video if you believe reading still has the power to change lives. The power sourced from God. There are a number of resources for this topic that we can take advantage of. Reach out and reach your destination.